Hi guys, so in this video I'm just going to be doing random stuff. So let's get started. So I'm just going to be playing with some of my slime. I have some more slime on top of the wardrobe. I have 2 more slimes on top of the wardrobe, but I don't want to play with them too. I want to play with these 2. So I have this nice really pink one with like loads of beads in it. And I have this blue one with like it has glitter in it, and it has stay for beads there. So the first one I'm gonna play with is the pink one. I haven't played with that one in ages. So this one you can't pick up and like play with, but like this one you can pick up and like play with, because like this one's sticky. Both of my other slimes are like sticky, even though my sister's friend made them. We didn't make them because like we don't actually have the stuff to make slime, and also our mom doesn't let us, so yeah, but at least we got slime. We have it. It's really fun to play with. And yeah, so it's just really fun to swirl and dip your fingers into, and you know, do what normal people do, as we are supposed to do, is these. But people can like swirl it, squidge it, lift it up like this, and yeah, slime is really fun. You can do what the good thing is about stuff, so you can do whatever you want with it. So this one could pick up and like throw about and stuff, but the styrofoam beads go everywhere, so I'm not doing that. So literally go everywhere. Let me put my fingers into it. Styrofoam beads already. That's why I just play with it like normal slime. And it's really oily, this one. It's not stretchy. It is stretchy, but you can't just like poke it really easily, or like stretch it up and then go do that stuff. That's the reason why, yeah, because of all the styrofoam beads, basically. I wish I could have like fluffy slime or crunchy slime, but I don't have that slime. So I really want crunchy slime. No, I mean fluffy slime, because it looks so big and really nice to put your hands on. It's like really fun. It's like, sorry, I'm really sorry. But now I'm showing you the beat. Not like the sparkles. Do you see the sparkles? I don't think you can. So let me show you. Can you see them? You see? Oh, sparkles. All the sparkles. So, so all these sparkles. And it just, I just really like sparkles. So, yeah, that's basically eat the paint. I just really like the feel of it. It's like something you can play stress with. Like, you can just pull it, stretch it, throw it about, and it's just really fun to play stress with. But when you have too much fun, that happens, and it just gets really annoying. And yeah, well guys, as you can see, we are going bed, and basically that was it for this video, because now I can only do small videos because my phone only holds like a little bit of time on my videos. So yeah, so basically this video was about me and my slime, but yeah, sorry. And anyway, I hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. Well, not ahead of you, like night, but tomorrow. And see you soon. Bye.